I realized it with recycled paper. This is A4 sheet. It is closed. So we can have our sheet as we want. And this is the other side, the A3. You have to take a sheet, and then you have to cut like a square. That is, this is a square. Okay, then you have to cut and stick. I don't know if it is clear. This is the room, okay? So, this is a wall, another wall, and the pavement, the floor, okay? So, when we close, okay, room by room, we realize a room. Then we stick a room by room, okay, and we have the book. This is the small size, because I haven't sheet, the big sheet. Okay, so, and this is the other sides. Okay.